The price of Stellar, XLM, is anticipated to experience a 60% increase, however, it must first surpass the current pattern in order to do so. The price of Stellar, XLM, has experienced a decline since July 13, resulting in the formation of several bearish weekly candlesticks. The XLM cryptocurrency is currently reaching a significant support level around $0.105. The current market price is exhibiting a pattern of consolidation within a symmetrical triangular formation. If the triangular pattern is observed as a continuation formation, it has the potential to result in a breakout and the establishment of a new annual peak. The bullish scenario will be rendered invalid if the price falls far below the $0.118 threshold. Subsequently, there exists the possibility of a further 35% decline in the XLM price prior to encountering a level of support. The price of Stellar's cryptocurrency, XLM, is currently situated inside a range that has persisted for an extended period. Notably, it has experienced a decline subsequent to attaining its highest value for the year in the month of July. Although there has been a decline, the readings on the daily timescale suggest that a breakout from the existing pattern is anticipated. This has the potential to result in a new annual peak. The price of Stellar undergoes a period of consolidation subsequent its being rejected. The technical analysis conducted on a weekly time scale for XLM reveals that in January, the price exhibited a breakout from a descending resistance line that had persisted over a significant period. Prior to the occurrence of the breakout, the line had been established and maintained for a duration of 616 days. Subsequently, XLM surpassed the resistance level of $0.105 and attained a fresh annual peak of $0.195 during the month of June. Nevertheless, the price has experienced a subsequent decline, resulting in the formation of a lengthy upper wick and multiple bearish weekly candlesticks. The primary level of resistance is observed at 23 cents, however, the nearest long-term horizontal support is identified at $0.105. The Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, provides an inconclusive or indeterminate reading. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, serves as a momentum indicator employed by traders to assess the potential overbought or oversold conditions of a market, aiding in the decision-making process of accumulating or selling an asset. Values over a threshold of 50 and exhibiting an ascending trajectory show a prevailing advantage for bullish market sentiment, whereas values falling below 50 signify the contrary. Although the Relative Strength Index, RSI, exhibits a declining trend, it remains at a level beyond 50. The presence of contradictory indicators hinders the ability to establish a clear trajectory for the trend. Upon conducting a more detailed examination of the daily timeframe analysis, it becomes evident that there is a positive outlook characterized by a bullish trend. The forecast is formulated based on the principles of Elliott wave theory. The utilization of the Elliott wave theory, a methodology applied by technical analysts to analyze long-term price trends and investor sentiment, is being employed for the purpose of predicting market developments. According to the wave count analysis, it can be observed that the XLM price is currently positioned within the fourth wave of a five-wave upward movement, as indicated by the white wave pattern. The fourth wave has assumed a triangular form, which is widely regarded as the most probable pattern for the culmination of wave 4. The price is nearing the conclusion of the triangular pattern, indicating an imminent occurrence of a significant shift. The occurrence of a breakout will serve as confirmation that the prevailing trend is positive and that the initiation of wave 5 has commenced. Under the above circumstances, it is plausible that XLM may have a surge of almost 60%. Leading it to reach the subsequent resistance level at $0.230. The objective is determined through the utilization of the 3.61 extension of Wave 1. Nevertheless, in the event of a price decline, there exists the possibility of a return to the $0.130 region. Although the bullish count would not be rendered invalid, a decline below the price of $0.118, which represents the high of Wave 1, would have a significant impact. Under such circumstances, it is plausible that the XLM price may see a further decline of approximately 35%, ultimately reaching a value of 9 cents. In conclusion, the prevailing XLM price forecast indicates a positive market sentiment. It is anticipated that there will be a 60% rise in the subsequent resistance level, reaching a value of 23 cents. Nevertheless, should the value decline below $0.118, it would render the optimistic perspective meaningless and perhaps result in a significant decrease of 35% to $0.09. Bitcoin price forecast as BTC surges by 2% during a 24-hour period. Is it an opportune moment for investment? The recent increase in Bitcoin's price by 2% over a span of 24 hours has given rise to conjecture on its potential ramifications for investors. With the ongoing evolution of market dynamics, one is prompted to ponder whether the current boom in Bitcoin's value signifies a favorable juncture to contemplate its acquisition. Let us proceed to ascertain. Exploring the prospects of Bitcoin integration, insights from Michael Saylor. During a recent podcast interview, Michael Saylor, the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of MicroStrategy, expounded upon his viewpoint regarding the increasing phenomenon of major corporations adopting and consolidating Bitcoin. Saylor underscored the inescapable nature of third-party and corporate participation inside the Bitcoin ecosystem. The speaker expressed that with the increasing integration of Bitcoin into society, there will be a proliferation of diverse applications, rendering a universally applicable strategy impractical. Saylor delineated 3 primary justifications for the necessity of caretakers inside the realm of Bitcoin. The user's text lacks the necessary academic tone and structure. It would be more appropriate to. The subject matter at hand pertains to the field of politics. The term natural refers to phenomena or entities that exist or occur in the world without. Saylor recognized, from a political perspective, that some political frameworks may require the dependence on third-party custodians. From a technical perspective, the individual acknowledged the involvement of third-party entities at Layer 3, such as Bank of America and Apple, in facilitating the operational aspects of mobile cryptocurrency transactions. Furthermore, Saylor underscored the notion that certain individuals, such as the elderly or those seeking to safeguard their assets for future generations, may deem it more prudent to delegate the management of their possessions to trusted others. According to Saylor, Bitcoin is expected to incorporate many integration strategies, with the market ultimately